relational database service features. Availability and durability. Amazon RDS also offer features to enhance availability and durability for your production workloads. Turned on by default, the automated backup feature of Amazon RDS will back up your databases and transaction logs, and saves them securely in Amazon S3 for a user-specified retention period. Your automatic backup retention period can be configured to up to 35 days. Automated backups enables point-in-time recovery for your database instance. It allows you to restore your database instance to any second during your retention period, up to the last 5 minutes. Database snapshots are user-initiated backups of your instance, stored in Amazon S3, that are kept until you explicitly delete them. You can create a new instance from a database snapshots whenever you desire. Although database snapshots serve operationally as full backups, you are billed only for incremental storage use. Amazon RDS will automatically replace the compute instance powering your deployment in the event of a hardware failure. Amazon RDS multi-AZ deployments provide enhanced availability and durability for database instances, making them a natural fit for production database workloads. When you provision a multi-AZ DB instance, Amazon RDS automatically creates a primary DB instance and synchronously replicates the data to a standby DB instance in a different availability zone, in the same or a different region. In case of an infrastructure failure, Amazon RDS performs an automatic failover to the standby. The standby DB instance is promoted to become the primary DB instance. Data is replicated back to a new standby DB instance to retain high availability. Since the endpoint for your DB instance remains the same after a failover, your application can resume database operations as soon as the failover is complete. No manual administrative intervention is needed.